Dean, one of the things that we've spoken about a lot off camera and in our own capacity, and was mentioned by yourself and the other brokers in the March virtual forum, is the importance of developers to get their presentation right, to get the information they're presenting, to get their track record, to get the company overview, the team, to get the presentation as well structured as possible. Can you give us a little bit of detail of why it's vital to have yourself well presented in order to get great terms?
Yeah, I think it's absolutely vital, Alex. I think it's probably the most important part of the whole funding process, if you like. I mean, ultimately, the better you present yourself as a developer, the more chance you've got of getting the terms, and they should be better terms if the lender has more confidence in your ability. I think that's probably even more pertinent in the current climate because there's plenty of funding options out there. But all of the funders that are in the market, they're looking for the best quality and the people that they believe in most to be able to deliver that project on their behalf and make sure they get repaid, because that's ultimately what the lenders want. You know, we've seen a whole range of presentations in our time as a broker, and we do write a presentation on behalf of, you know, our clients to lenders. My lending background, you know, I've seen good and bad brokers and the way that they present things. And I think that we just wanted to try and present things in a succinct manner, you know, not chapter and verse, but the main points of who, what, where, and why. You know, they're the key things that any lender really wants to see to make a decision on whether or not that is a deal that they want to fund. We recently had a client who relatively new to development, but their presentation was really helpful. You know, it gave us a really good steer in terms of their backgrounds as a contractor predominantly, but you know, gave examples of deals that they've done before, the types of construction that they've done, and then a bit about the project itself. And that really helped us to get funding on their behalf. Yeah, they had worked with a broker in the past and they hadn't been able to get funding for them, but we worked with that client. We pulled together that presentation with them. We made it a bit more, you know, sharper, if you like, and we got it out to lenders and we got them the funding ultimately, and that's what every developer wants.
Awesome. Dean, thank you very much for that advice and good example as well. Much appreciated.